Can vinyl plank flooring be installed as one continuous surface from a bathroom into a laundry area? Yes, you can install vinyl plank flooring continuously between a bathroom and a laundry area, and doing it well requires planning for moisture, layout, and mechanical clearances. Start by choosing a waterproof rigid core or polymer-backed vinyl plank designed for wet areas, and confirm the product manufacturer permits bathroom and laundry use. If the product is water-resistant but not waterproof, add additional moisture controls. Maintain a single plank direction across both spaces to minimize visual breaks, and measure and snap chalk lines to keep staggered end joints at least 12 inches apart so seams are structurally stable. Plan all cutouts for water supply lines, drains, and dryer vents before laying planks, so you can make precise openings with a jigsaw or oscillating tool and avoid awkward gaps. Cut slightly snug and use silicone gaskets where pipes penetrate the floor. Install a compatible underlayment if required by the plank system for sound control and minor subfloor imperfections, but do not use underlayment that traps moisture under the plank in a wet zone. Follow the manufacturer recommendations for vapor barriers. Around the washer and dryer, leave the manufacturer recommended expansion gap and use trim or a threshold plate that allows the floor to move while protecting edges from splashes and detergent. Finally, create a detailed installation checklist that includes subfloor flatness checks, acclimation time for planks, adhesive or click system verification, and a post-installation inspection for gaps or incomplete seals. The three most common issues are moisture intrusion at seams, improper expansion gaps, and poor cutting around utilities. Moisture intrusion is usually caused by missing or inadequate perimeter sealing and by not using gaskets where plumbing penetrates the floor. Address this by applying a bead of silicone rated for floors at walls and around pipe penetrations, and by selecting a plank with a robust waterproof core. Improper expansion gaps occur when installers forget manufacturer spacing and fasten trim too tightly. Always measure and mark the required gap before final trim installation, and use floating trim or flexible transition strips that do not clamp the floor. Poor cutting around utilities leads to visible gaps and uneven seals. Dry fit planks, transfer accurate patterns from fixtures, and finish cuts with a fine file or sandpaper before sealing with a matching caulk to achieve a clean look. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lists projects like continuous vinyl plank installations, so we help you find professionals in your area. We also provide a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share tips, layouts, and product experiences to make project planning easier for everyone.